Apple just did it again. Say hello to the lightest, smartest, and boldest iPhone ever, the iPhone 17 Air. Let's break down why this phone is an absolute game changer for 2025. First off, wow, this thing is thinner than your wallet and lighter than AirPods. It's crafted from aerospace-grade titanium with a frosted matte finish. And yes, it feels premium. The 6.3-inch OLED ProMotion display? Gorgeous. 240 Hz refresh rate, Ultra HDR support, your TikToks, YouTube vids, and games never looked this smooth. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Air packs the blazing fast A19 Bionic chip with next-gen neural AI processing. Everything from gaming to multitasking is buttery smooth. And check this, on-device ChatGPT integration. Ask your phone anything, no cloud required. It's like having your own tech genie. Battery life? 24 hours straight with ultra-fast wireless MagCharge 2.0. Now the camera, 48 MP main, improved night vision, 8K video, and real-time AI editing. You literally take a pic and it auto-enhances in seconds. Influencers rejoice. So is the iPhone 17 Air worth the hype? Absolutely. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Drop a comment if you'd upgrade or wait. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insane tech drops. Catch you in the next one.